Hello, new to the channel. I'm at B1, 6 months. Do you think it's necessary to do vocab every day in my level? If your goal is conversational fluency and your B1, B2 usually is considered fluent, like conversational especially, do you think it's necessary to do vocab every day? I think as long as you're doing Spanish consistently, minimum once a week, that's what's like necessary. But if you can already start having conversation, if you're conversational, like if you can have a basic back and forth at least, then that's the highest level skill, in my opinion, if your goal is conversational fluency. Like if you can already have conversations, the goal is to just reach a point where you can have conversations. So like that's to me, the thing that is probably higher leverage for you right now, if you're at B1, is to have conversations, practice speaking and having back and forths. Yes, I can have a simple conversation with a patient native speaker, but a lot of times I can't find the word in Spanish though. Did I speak to you? I feel like I spoke to you last time. I spoke to someone else last time who had a patient. Yeah. But yeah, no, I think we even spoke about this. It's just you would, if it's a specific word, then what you do is you have conversations, and then when you can't find the word, you just have a translator in your hand and write, "Cómo se dice, blah, blah, blah." Or, I have AI in your hand as well, same thing basically. And just say, what does this mean? Or how do you say this? And then you just say it. Right. And what happens is you have 10 conversations, and then boom, what happens is boom, you end up not having to look at those, like search it up. No, it's not me. I'm new to the channel. Well, welcome. I hope you get value from these videos. If you're completely new, you want to so you can join. If you check the first link in the description, you can join the Speedy Spanish Hub, which is a free community I made. And I highly recommend joining, because right now I'm actually in the live call waiting for people to join, and so you can join here to just speak with me directly and others in the community if or when they join. So yeah, but yeah, that's how it is, right? If you can already have conversations, what happens is, okay, you have conversations, but you always forget that one word. Okay, so then you're frequently opening the translator, but then you have more conversations, and you still have to use a translator, but slightly less, and the next time slightly less, and the next time slightly less, and the next time slightly less, until you don't have to use the translator at all. And so that's how it goes. What happens is you want to reach the level where you're capable to practice the skill that you want to get better at. And if the skill is conversational fluency, then conversations is the highest leverage thing you can do. So yeah,